Hello lovers, it's Sarah Tolmie from Life and Love. Welcome to another Miracle Marriage Minute. I'm here at the rocky wild end of my beach today. Harvey's with me again, and I want to talk to you about a really important part of a relationship, which is making repairs, mending fences, making apologies. You know, sometimes everything isn't lovely and wonderful, harmonious and sunshiny. And we need to know when to take account, to atone, to apologize, to take action. Look, here's Harvey being a bit upset. And sometimes rather than being right, it's being loving. The question to ask is, what would love do here? What's the loving thing to do right now? Remember that and take that into your love and union. Wishing you all well, and through the rocky and wild times too, love is always there. Bye.